Hey guys, I'm Shaizor from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing the review of this Apple Watch Series 3 based on my experience and day-to-day use. This is a 42mm space grey aluminum case with sport band watch, and I've been using this watch for almost 4 years now. And I must say that this is the best watch I've ever used. It has all the features which you can expect, and it still gets software updates which I recently updated to the watchOS 8.1, which is the latest watchOS software. So let's start up with the build quality. As I said earlier, I have been using this watch for almost 4 years now, and I can tell that the design and the build quality is amazing. I literally don't have any scratches on the display, and I have never used a case or a screen protector for my Apple Watch. The only scratches I got is near the digital crown and the side button. I really don't know how it got scratches over there, but yeah. And the one thing that I don't like about this watch is the composite back, because every time I charge my watch, it's gonna leave some marks behind. The Apple Watch Series 3 comes with an OLED Retina display and has 1000 nits, so that the display gets very bright in the direct sunlight, and you won't have any problem using it in the direct sunlight, as well as very dim at the night time when checking the time. The glass seamlessly curves into the sides, which looks very premium. On the right side it has a digital crown and a side button. On the left side it has a microphone and speaker grills. On the back it has a heart rate sensor. This watch is running on latest watchOS version 8.1, and still it performs really great. It can easily handle day-to-day tasks. My experience with this watch has been amazing. It's very smooth and fast when opening and closing the apps, notifications, and pretty much everything is quick. The app crashes are very rare. Some of the apps do take some time to open, such as Maps. And sometimes apps do restart when switching between the apps due to the limited RAM. Now coming to its features, it has everything from heart rate monitor to tons of exercises to measure and show you the accurate results. A new feature that has been recently introduced with the watchOS 7 to this watch is the sleep mode. It's not like exclusive for this watch, but for all the Apple Watches that supports the watchOS 7, including the Series 3. So when you sleep with wearing the watch, it tracks your sleep and show your average sleep time, breaths per minute, and heartbeats while you're sleeping. These are great, but it doesn't show much more details as compared to the third-party apps, but it's just an addition to the health app, so you can find all the health related stuff in the health app. Another great feature is the stand reminder. This gives you a reminder every hour if you're sitting for a long time. It encourages you to be active and take a 1-minute walk. It shows you all the notifications from apps, messages, emails, and the best thing is you can directly reply to them from the notification panel. You can use Siri for asking the weather, setting reminders, sending a message, opening the apps, and much more things. To use the Siri, you can just say "Hey Siri" or press and hold the digital crown. And the best part is, you can just raise your wrist and start talking with Siri without saying "Hey Siri" or pressing the digital crown. You can easily change the watch faces by going into the watch app, or by tap and hold, or slide to change the watch face. If you want bands to be matched with your outfits, changing the band is really easy. You can just press and hold this button and slide it out. And if the bands get dirty when you work out, you can easily clean the band with the water. This Apple Watch Series 3 is water resistance for up to 50 meters. I do wear the watch in the rain, and the watch doesn't have any issues at this point. It also includes some swimming exercises. Apple ecosystem is really great. When I wear the watch on my wrist, my iPhone automatically unlocks the watch for me. And when I wear the mask on my face, my watch unlocks my iPhone. And when I use my MacBook Pro, my watch unlocks my MacBook, so I don't have to type the password. So this ecosystem makes the thing easier. Now talking about the storage. The Series 3 comes with an 8GB of storage, and you can have the photos and songs in the watch. So you can listen to the music even when your phone is not connected to the watch. And because of the 8GB of storage, this is where all the complications start to happen when you try to update the watch. Whenever Apple pushes the new software update, I had to back up and reset the watch completely to update to the newer version of the watchOS. This watch is still very powerful and capable of new software updates, but because of the storage, it kinda makes the thing inconvenience. If you prefer downloading lot of music and apps, then I recommend you should go with the Apple Watch SE, which comes with 32GB of storage. Talking about the battery, after using it for 4 years now, and still it has a great battery life. I usually charge my Apple Watch in the morning, and it can easily last full day with a single charge. The battery has slightly changed. Sometimes I do feel the battery is dying quickly, but I'm using it since 4 years, so it's totally normal. So this was my review on my Apple Watch Series 3. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow my social media. The links will be in the description below.